Welcome back to The Worldly Traveler. Imagine stepping into a luxurious residence where elegance meets comfort, where tropical surroundings blend perfectly with modern design, and where every detail has been created for an exceptional lifestyle. Today, we're exploring your dream home in Coral Ridge, an extraordinary property located in one of Fort Lauderdale's most prestigious residential neighborhoods. This remarkable home offers the perfect combination of luxury living, spacious interiors, and a prime location that places you close to beaches, shopping, dining, and everything South Florida has to offer. From the moment you arrive, the property creates an unforgettable first impression. Beautiful landscaping, impressive architecture, and carefully designed outdoor spaces immediately showcase the quality and sophistication of this exceptional residence. Inside, the home welcomes guests with bright open spaces filled with natural light. High ceilings, elegant finish, and thoughtfully designed living areas create an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. Every room has been carefully planned to maximize comfort while maintaining a timeless sense of style. The spacious living room provides the perfect place for relaxing with family or entertaining guests. Large windows overlook the beautiful outdoor areas, creating a seamless connection between indoor comfort and Florida's tropical surroundings. The modern kitchen is designed for both everyday living and special occasions. Premium appliances, generous counter space, stylish cabinetry, and functional layouts make it an enjoyable place to prepare meals while gathering with family and friends. The bedrooms provide peaceful private retreats where comfort becomes the highest priority. Spacious layouts, elegant decor, and relaxing surroundings allow every guest to enjoy restful nights after exciting days exploring Fort Lauderdale. Outside, the property continues to impress. A beautiful private swimming pool becomes the centerpiece of the outdoor living space, surrounded by comfortable seating, lush greenery, and plenty of room to relax beneath the Florida sunshine. Whether you're hosting outdoor gatherings, enjoying quiet afternoons by the pool, or simply taking in the peaceful surroundings, every moment feels like a luxury vacation. One of the greatest advantages of Coral Ridge is its exceptional location. Residents enjoy quick access to Fort Lauderdale Beach, Olas Boulevard, world-class restaurants, luxury shopping, golf courses, marinas, and countless entertainment options. The neighborhood itself is known for beautiful streets, waterfront properties, and an atmosphere that combines privacy with convenience. Whether you're interested in boating, dining, beach activities, or exploring South Florida's vibrant lifestyle, everything is just a short drive away. As evening arrives, the home becomes even more inviting. Soft lighting, peaceful outdoor spaces, and warm tropical breezes create an atmosphere that feels both elegant and relaxing. What truly makes this Coral Ridge property stand out is its ability to combine luxury, comfort, privacy, and location into one extraordinary home. Whether you're searching for a dream residence, a luxury vacation property, or simply looking for inspiration, this home represents the very best of Fort Lauderdale living. This is more than just a beautiful house. It's a lifestyle where elegance, relaxation, and unforgettable memories come together every single day. Thank you for joining The Worldly Traveler. If this incredible luxury home inspires your next adventure, be sure to subscribe for more extraordinary hotels, luxury properties, hidden gems, and unforgettable travel experiences from around the world.